We got married on the stairs, not in a room, but on the stairs at Camden Town
I'm
Hall.
actually crying. Oh, I'm so sorry, but it's so
I
That's
said to
great.
Kath, will you marry me? And she said, I'm not having a fucking party. I said, you don't. She said, I don't want a load of guests, and I'm not going in the church. I don't want a ring. I'm not wearing a stupid fucking white dress. So it went on. I'm not doing this, and I said, oh, forget it. And then about 2 weeks.
That's a
later,
lovely proposal
Yeah.
story.
2 weeks later, I said, oh, sure, okay, we'll do it your way. When she was stripping away all the things we couldn't have at the wedding, I said, can you at least wear? She said, I'm not changing my name. I said, I don't expect you to change your name. That's fine. I'm not saying obey. I said, no, I'll say obey. But she said, but please, a ring such. She said, no, I'm not wearing it. She said, I don't wear jewellery, which is true.
No, she doesn't.
She said, if I wear a ring, I'll feel trapped.
Yeah.
I said, you'll be married. You're supposed to feel fucking trapped. That's what it symbolises. It's like
would've
a
been a
shackle.
I'm so sad we missed out on the speech.
Yeah.